Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add floors and then the roofs. So each and every one of this has floors now. And then here we just added a simple flat roof. And we're going to work on this now. And then now we're going to click on model in place. I want to create something on this side. So look for generic model. And then here, I would like to set or pick a plane. I'm going to pick this plane. Or instead go to south. And then we already picked the plane. And do an extrusion. So I'm going to pick the plane again. It's because we changed the view. And then here, I'm just going to simply add design like this. That will be bulging all this. After that, I'm going to do this. Just going to delete this a little bit and then go over that. I'm going to choose this line and then just drop it like that. And choose this line again and drop it all the way. And then I'm going to choose this. And then I'm going to choose this. And then here, let's add this feature. And then SL, split element. TR. So actually we need to do it separately. So for now, I'm actually gonna SL this and TR. We can actually just move it like there. So yeah, might as well do it now. TR this. And then I want to put this one, something there. So TR this. So there will be a gap here. Let's look at it. And I want to see it. I don't actually like the image or the extrusion that we created. So I'm gonna pull this one out. We could do better. We could put lights at the top here. So around 300 will be enough, I believe. So let's finish this for now. But actually we forgot to put in a material. So I'm just gonna put a material so that we could change this one later on. So I'm gonna put that leather black. Click finish, and that will be good enough for now. I'm gonna add in something here. So I'm gonna go back to south elevation and then click on architecture, model in place. Here, generic model, and I want to add actually from the top. So I would like it to be on level 2. And I want it to be extruded from here. So extrusion. I'm gonna set the plane first. I want it from the floor if I can. So I have it from the floor and then I'm gonna extrude it from there. I want it to be like this. And then offset this one with 50. I don't want the 50. Let's make it 100. I'm just adding the midline and offset this one 50. And then delete the middle. And then we could use this, copy this. So what's the distance from the middle or from here? 1350. So I'm gonna create a copy. So I'm gonna add it around 400. And then here I could just add it from the middle, so around 350 or 340. That will be good enough. And then SL, I'm gonna keep on doing this. And then now we need to trim. And then after that, click finish. And then let's add in the material first. Let's choose a random one. Look at it at 3D, and then let's set it up at the top here. So I'm gonna add it like that and pull this one down and up like that. So this is good enough. I like the design, and click finish. I'm also gonna add in a model in place on this area. So generic model, and then go at level 3. So let's go to level 2. It's not showing for the level 3. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in something here. So what I'm gonna set the plane so we could go to 3D actually, and I'm gonna set it here at the floor. After that, I'm just gonna add it like that. Change the materials. Parking stripe. Click finish. Look at it at 3D. And we could just change the extrusion to 100, and it's more than enough. Or let's just put it back to 250. Click finish. Let's create another exterior wall. Duplicate that, and let's change this to parking. The same materials for that. So parking stripe. So now we need to change this to part 2, wall number 3. So now when we change that, it will be changed like those. And let's do more. Model in place, generic model, south elevation, pick a plane. Let's choose this plane. Okay, we've chosen this plane. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually wanting to add an L type of window here. So I might do that. So I'm just gonna change this material for now and extrude it afterwards. Click finish. So I need to go back to level 2 and add a window here. So go to architecture, wall, and then curtain wall. So maybe around here. And then cut geometry. And then let's look at it at south elevation. And it actually overlaps. So now we're gonna pull that back, put it down like that, and like that, and then edit this extrusion. And then now TR. Click finish, and then finish. And then make sure to pull this back like that. So in 3D it will look like that. And what we could do is we could go to south elevation and change this one. So go to modify, split face. I want to split face this. So this is actually an extrusion. So we need to edit this split, and then we need to split face it from here. So you need to edit, and then after that click finish, and then now click on paint, which is this one, and choose a random material. So I'm gonna choose this for now and select this one. And then after that, click done and then finish. And if we see it in 3D, and let's change to consistent color, it will look like that. So I just want to pull this back a little bit more. And maybe we could change this and add another extrusion for this part. I want to see it on south elevation. And then here I could put in another extrusion, model in place, and then another generic model. And for this one, another extrusion, and then pick the plane. I want it to be this face. After that, I'm gonna use a rectangle, and then I'm going to align it like that. And then let's extend this one a little bit. Change the materials. So why not, let's choose something here. I'm gonna choose a random materials from below and click finish. And then we forgot to delete this. SL and then TR. Click finish, and then let's look at it at 3D. We just need to extend this one until it touched AL, this face. So it's looking nice. I would like to extend this one. But let me double check, because let's do 2350 and then double check it. Yeah, it's too much, so Let's just pull it back a little, and let's pull this back as well. I want everything to be good. So here I'm gonna go to south elevation. I'm gonna extend it from this side. Okay. And then after that, edit this extrusion. So AL, click finish, and then edit this boundary. So AL, finish this as well. Now I'm gonna follow this along so that we have the same width. And I wanna look at it right now. And then we can put some lights there later on. I would like to extend this one a bit more, but for now, let's leave it like this. I want to change this material right here and extend this a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on south elevation, and then under modify, split face, I'm gonna split face this. So let's see if we could split face this. But the problem that I'm seeing is the face is up there only. So we'll need to fix this one for the first floor and second floor. So I'm gonna extend this. So what I can do is move this back. So once we do, this is more dominant than the other. Same goes here. Pull this back. Extend this one a little bit. And pull this one down. So now this will be dominant. So we could actually split face this as well. And then now let's go to south elevation. Click split face. And then I believe we just need one line like that. Yes, we just need one line. Let me double check that. So yes, this one will be different now. So under paint, I'm gonna use carpet. Split face now this part, and then similar to that, we need to just add the reason that we just need to add one line because this is from the edge. So we're basically cutting only. This one is a different because we're creating a barrier from here. So now click finish and then click paint and then click paint carpet just to change the material. So let's look in 3D and then let's add it here as well. So I'm gonna basically cut it from here as well so that we can change a material, and then we're probably gonna extend this a bit or just add in something similar to this. So now, or maybe I could just add up to here. So what we could do is we could add in a section line facing this way, and then we could double click that, and then now we could see where the line is. We could just cut it from here and there. So split face, this face, click on this and go all the way up. But as you can see, we just need to align it better. So AL and then finish. Split face again. This one. And then click on align. Click finish and then paint again. And there. Look at it in 3D and it will look like that. Here we're just gonna paint this face. And then now we could just add in something at the third level. We're gonna add in an extrusion at the top. So we could actually do it in 3D. So architecture, model in place, generic model, and then click on extrusion, set the plane, pick a plane. I want to do this into this face. And then I'll use align, maybe it will work. Okay, click finish, use the same material, which is carpet. And then press OK and finish. So it's looking good. I like what we've done. We could actually just extend this one a little bit. like that. I would like to add in the light here on this spot. So let's finish here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.